In this video, we're going to understand the immediate value theorem. It says, given the following table of values of the polynomial f of x, what is the minimum number of zeros of f of x that are guaranteed to exist by the intermediate value theorem? So if you remember, the intermediate value theorem basically says, if your y values go from being positive to negative or negative to positive, then for a continuous function, you would have a zero that exists between those two areas. So these two x values from between 1 and 2, we have x value of 1 with a y value of 8, which is positive, and then an x value of 2 with a y value of -1. If you have a continuous function, you had to cross 0, which would mean that there is a 0 that exists between these 2 points. So we're going to put an arrow here and say that a 0 exists here. We switch from negative to positive here, so there's a 0 that exists here. And then from positive to negative, a 0 exists here. And then finally from negative to positive, we have a 0 which exists here. And then you'll notice that we go from 6 to 10, so it's already positive and stays positive. No zeros exist between there. Okay, you can't guarantee that a 0 exists between there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the minimum number of zeros. So we have minimum of 4 zeros. And that's how you use the intermediate value theorem to find your zeros.